Slqlalchemy unique constraint versus index, unique equals true. I am using mysql, running inode, and map the entire thing using Slqlalchemy. Now, I would like to generate changes in my database by using cdocs. Generally, the above function does what it is supposed to. The only exception being the generation of unique indexes. Say, I define a table like this. When I call create_database, I will get Slqlalchemy to create the table, my_table, with all columns as specified. The foreign key is also set up fine, but no unique index can be found on the database side. I then tried using an index, unique equals true, instead. So instead of I put, my impression was this logically produces a similar result. This time Slqlalchemy indeed created the unique index on the DB. Maybe I am miserably misunderstanding something about the difference between unique constraint and index, unique equals true, or the way Slqlalchemy uses them to automate generation of databases. Can anyone shed some light on this?
The main difference is that while the index API allows defining an index outside of a table definition as long as it can reference the table through the past SQL constructs, a unique constraint and constraints in general must be defined inline in the table definition. To apply table-level constraint objects such as foreign key constraint to a table defined using declarative, use the __table_args_attribute described at table configuration. The thing to understand is that during construction of a declarative class a new table is constructed, if not past an explicit __table__. In your example model class the unique constraint instance is bound to a class attribute, but the declarative base does not include constraints in the created table instance from attributes. You must pass it in the table arguments. Note that you must pass the constraint name as a keyword argument. You could also pass the constraint using table.append_constraint, if called before any attempts to create the table.